Package dimension: 48.5 cm by 62.2 cm by 63.0 cm. Product type: wildlife feeder. Package weight: 19.051 kilograms. Made in China. Easy setup. No tools required. Heavy-duty 9-piece square tube-coated leg kit. Durable polybarrel, holds 270 pounds. Built-in funnel reduces feed waste. Digital power control unit (PCU), heavy-duty all-metal motor and mounts. Galvanized steel spinner plate. Includes one-piece heavy-duty vermint guard. 6 volts battery operation, not included. Top reviews from the United States. But still works great. I would highly recommend getting this Pro model. This is a inexpensive feeder, but still works great. I would highly recommend getting this Pro model over the standard model as it has a much better motor.